Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need dual SIM hardware and 2 active accounts. Check that now. Once confirmed, power off, insert SIM and primary slot and SIM-B in secondary. Make sure PINs are entered and phone boots fully. Next, go straight to network settings to assign a default data SIM so you avoid switching later. These are the essential prerequisites and the first actionable steps to get both lines recognized and ready for use. Now you configure how each SIM behaves. Open mobile network settings and choose which SIM handles data, voice, and SMS. You can set a preferred voice line and a separate data line. Once done, enable smart switching if available for network fallback, and assign labels like work and personal to avoid confusion. For apps, pick which SIM to use for confirmations. This detailed middle step ensures predictable behavior and reduces accidental charges. Finish by testing. Place a call from each SIM, send an SMS, and browse with mobile data so you verify assignments. If a SIM doesn't register, restart the phone and reconfirm APN settings. Make sure airplane mode was off so networks can attach. If problems persist, power down and reseat the SIM tray, then contact the carrier for provisioning. One key troubleshooting tip. Reseating the SIM often clears registration errors quickly without further steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.